Hello YouTube. Let's write really simple script which will help you to ping only one specific IP address, and you will define that address through your keyboard. So we're gonna use OS module because we are grabbing ping through Python, and we need some IP. So IP address to check, or you can just say IP to check. You will get that through user input IP to check, and for that IP you need to ping. So OS system, we will call ping. If you are on Windows, you will use N, and let's say 4 pings to that address. 4 is default, but we are hard coding things here, so it's also fine. And then you need to ping IP. This is a placeholder for concrete IP, so you will get that by typing format, and what you need to provide to format is IP to check. IP to check, and that's about it. So let's save this as ping1. Really simple stuff, almost stupid, but it will get the job done. And let's run our script. Okay, IP to check this one, and there you go. And you can go to your command prompt and also run your script from there. What was the name? ping1 IP to check. Cool. Really simple stuff. So if you wanna make this script a little bit beautiful, or maybe cross-platform, you know, you can just remove this and leave the space between ping and user input, and you can put some print here, like horizontal line times this, and after operation is done, maybe this. And at the top of script, maybe something similar but not same. Let's see what we got. Maybe it's ugly, maybe not, but I think it works. Okay, cool. So let's, for example, clear screen, because you don't want to see this. Okay, so OS system, and we will call CLS, which is clear screen in Windows, and you need to call clear in Linux and similar systems. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's run it again. So we have removed the command prompt with clear screen. I mean, not command prompt, but you know, those leftovers. Cool. So right now we can also at the end put user import, like blank user import, because you want an application to terminate when you press any key. Something like that, I don't know. We are just practicing, you know. Print, oh no, just user input. Input, press any key to exit, and I think we are good to go. Yep. press any key, and that's it. So yeah, really simple script, as I said, almost stupid, but we're practicing, so why not? Of course, you can play around with this, make it beautiful or something, and share with others and tell how you have done it. And as always, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorials.